Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make frozen gummy bears using cola. First, gather your materials: your favorite gummy bears, a bottle of cola, and a freezer-safe container. Make sure your container is clean and ready for use. This simple treat is perfect for a warm day or a fun snack, offering a delightful twist on a classic candy. Now, carefully place your gummy bears into the freezer-safe container. Next, gently pour cola over them, ensuring all the bears are completely submerged. It's important to leave a little space at the top of the container, as the liquid will expand slightly during the freezing process. This step allows the gummy bears to absorb the cola flavor. Once your gummy bears are soaking in cola, carefully transfer the container to your freezer. For the best results, allow them to freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours. You'll want to check for firmness before removing them. They should be completely solid, indicating they are ready to be enjoyed. Patience here ensures a perfectly frozen treat. After the freezing time, gently remove your cola-infused gummy bears from the container. You'll notice they have a wonderfully firm, yet chewy, texture and a delightful, enhanced cola flavor. Serve them immediately to enjoy their frosty goodness. These frozen treats are a fantastic way to cool down and enjoy a fun, flavorful snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.